Best Gravity Chairs Comparison. Zero-gravity chairs have become a popular choice for outdoor relaxation thanks to their ergonomic design that mimics the weightless experience astronauts feel in space. These chairs are ideal for reducing back stress, improving circulation. List number 1. Amazon Basics Outdoor Patio Zero-Gravity Lounge. The Amazon Basics Zero-Gravity Lounge Chair offers a minimalist yet functional design with a padded headrest and durable textiline fabric. Its powder-coated steel frame ensures longevity, while the double bungee support system securely attaches the fabric to the frame for added stability. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it caters to a wide range of users and folds flat for convenient storage. The beige color and traditional style make it a versatile addition to any outdoor setting. During testing, the reclining mechanism performed smoothly, transitioning seamlessly between upright and fully reclined positions. The contoured armrests provided ergonomic support, enhancing user comfort over extended periods. However, the chair lacks advanced features like a cup holder or detachable tray, which may be inconvenient for users who prefer added functionality. Its lightweight design makes it portable, but the absence of additional accessories may limit its appeal for frequent travelers. List number FDW Zero-Gravity Lawn Lounge Chairs Set of 2 with Pillow. The FDW Zero-Gravity Lawn Lounge Chairs offer excellent value with a set of 2 chairs priced at just $69.99. Each chair includes adjustable headrests and cup holder trays, making them ideal for outdoor use. The chairs are made of durable textiline fabric, which is ventilated for summer comfort and easy to clean. The sturdy frame supports up to 250 pounds, and the foldable design ensures easy storage and portability. In practical use, the FDW chairs delivered adequate comfort and stability, though the reclining mechanism felt slightly less smooth compared to higher-end models. The lightweight build makes them easy to transport, but the lower weight capacity may not suit all users. These chairs are best suited for casual outdoor use, such as lounging in the backyard or at the beach, rather than heavy-duty or long-term use. List number Sweet Crispy Zero-Gravity Chairs. The Sweet Crispy Zero-Gravity Chairs stand out with their lightweight design and high weight capacity of 330 pounds. The set of 2 chairs includes adjustable headrests and cup holder trays, making them versatile for poolside, camping, or backyard use. The abrasion-resistant fabric ensures durability, while the lockable reclining mechanism allows users to find their ideal position with ease. Users appreciated the ergonomic design, which conforms to the waist curve for enhanced comfort. The fabric's breathability and ease of cleaning make these chairs suitable for outdoor activities. However, the plastic accessory tray felt less durable compared to metal alternatives, and the reclining angles were slightly limited compared to premium models. Overall, these chairs offer a good balance of comfort and portability for casual use. List more. Moni Bloom Zero-Gravity Chairs, Set of 2 Outdoor Folding Patio. The Moni Bloom Zero-Gravity Chairs feature high-quality textile mesh and a durable iron frame, offering a comfortable and supportive sitting experience. The adjustable locking system allows users to select angles between 95 and 140 degrees, while the removable headrest provides additional ergonomic support. Each chair includes a detachable tray for holding drinks and small items, adding convenience to its design. These chairs excel in durability and comfort, making them a reliable choice for outdoor use. The breathable fabric is ideal for summer relaxation, while the foldable design ensures easy portability. However, the chairs are slightly heavier than other models, which may limit their appeal for users seeking lightweight options. The locking mechanism performed well during testing, though some users may prefer a broader range of reclining angles. List number 5. Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair. The YomiFun Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $91.49. It offers a spacious 29-inch width and a full set of accessories, including a padded cushion, footrest cushion, cup holder, storage bag, and even an eye mask and earplugs. With a weight capacity of 450 pounds, this chair caters to users seeking maximum comfort and durability. The detachable cushion allows for all-season use, providing warmth in winter and ventilation in summer. During testing, the YomiFun chair delivered exceptional comfort and support, thanks to its extra-wide design and thick padding. The aluminum alloy lock offered smooth adjustability between 0 and 170 degrees, accommodating various reclining preferences. However, its heavier weight and higher price may deter users seeking portability or budget-friendly options. This chair is best suited for those prioritizing luxury and versatility in their relaxation setup.